Okay, column subtraction, the beautiful thing that it is. Now, we start off with a nice one where we don't have to do any sort of carrying or moving of anything. Okay, now it's really important that whatever our first number is what goes on top. Okay, otherwise we are making our lives much harder for ourselves. Okay, so I am going to have my 85 at the top. Okay, and I need to subtract 23 from that. Okay, so 5 take away 3 minus 3 is going to be 2. And 8 take away 2. Okay, so I've started on my right hand side over here and I'm working my way over. So 8 take away 2 then is 6. So my answer there is 62. Nice one to start off with. Okay, we move on. We've now got 41 take away 29. Okay, so again, not too bad. Okay, we're going to take away 29 from this. Now, looking at that straight away, I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I can't do 1 take away 9. It doesn't work. Okay, so what I have to do here is I need to look over to my tens column. Okay, in my tens column, I have a 4. I would like to borrow one of those 10s. Okay, so remember we've got our 1s here and our 10s here. I want to borrow one of those 10s. I say borrow, we're not really borrowing, are we? Because we're not going to give it back. Okay, so I'm going to slash that off. It's no longer a 4. Okay, because we're taking one away from it, that's going to go to a 3. Okay, however, that one that we borrowed now is going to come here and make this number, just to make sure you can see it, this number here is now an 11. Can we do 11 take away 9? Yes, yes, we absolutely can. Okay, so 11 take away 9 then ends up being a 2. And over here we can still do 3 take away our 2 minus our 2, which is 1. So 41 take away 29 is 12. Okay, so my answer there is 12. Next one, bigger numbers. We love it. We love it. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So again, making sure this one goes on top. Okay, so 294. And also, don't forget to line up your digits. Okay, and we are going to take away 228. Show what I'm doing there. Now, straight away again, okay, I'm looking at it. Right, I can't do 4 take away 8 because otherwise I'm going into minus numbers. I don't want to do that. 4 take away 8 doesn't work. So we're going to go over again. Okay, I'm looking at this 9 here. Right, I want some of that. It's no longer a 9. Okay, so that's going to change to an 8. And I'm going to move that one that I've just carried, borrowed, whatever you want to call it, stolen from there. I'm going to pop it there. Okay, so that is now 14. Okay, so 14 taking away 8. 14 take away 8 is 6. Okay, and now we've got 8 take away 2. 8 take away 2 is also 6. Okay, and 2 take away 2 there is 0. My answer therefore is 66. Okay, nice one. Nice, I like it. Right. Here we go. Here we go. I'll put this one in on purpose because I like it. It's good. It's a good one to challenge the brain. So let's start off with 8,403. Okay, and from that I want to subtract 2,248. Boom. Ha ha ha. Right. Again, straight away, the first thing that we need to look at is this column. Yeah. 3 take away. Can't do it. It's not going to happen. I'm not going into minus numbers. I'm not doing it. Okay, so we need to look over to this column here. Huh. Issue. It's a 0. But not an issue. Okay. All that means is that we need to go over here, okay, to this column. before we even start thinking about this column here. Okay, so on the 4 there, I am going to swipe him off. He's no longer a 4. He's now a 3. And I'm going to carry that over here to make a 10. However, unlucky number 10, because I'm slicing you off as well. That's going to annoy me. Let's have the lines going the same way, shall we? Okay, that's no longer a 10. Okay, he is now a 9. Okay, and then I'm going to go over to my 3. Okay, and put that 1 on there, which I've just borrowed from this little set of numbers here. Now I can start going. Now I can have a crack at this. Okay, so all of the hard work came first. I've moved some numbers around so that I'm able to do my subtraction. So now I've got 13, and I'm taking away 8, so I'm going to be left with 5. I've got 9, and I'm subtracting 4. Okay, nice. This is working out well. Okay, so I'm going to be left with 5, 3, and I'm subtracting 2, so I'm going to be left with 1, and then 8, and I'm taking away 2, so I'm going to be left with 6. So 8,403 subtract 2,248. Big numbers, horrible numbers looking at first. Okay, we had to move around some of our numbers up here so that we were able to do it. Okay, but we still come out with our answer at the bottom. Okay, again, just go and have a go at some of these. Go and have a go. It's the best way of doing it. Check your answers and make sure that you understand how to do it and what you are doing.